This is Anand Mahajan, your instructor for this course of Python. See, in this lecture, I am going to talk about a very important topic, that is modules in Python.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
Now see, what are modules? A module is a Python file consisting of various entities like functions, variables, dictionaries, sets, tuples, classes, etc. So what is a module? It's a file, Python file, in fact, with the extension .py that may consist of various things like functions, variables, dictionaries, sets, tuples, classes, etc. So it's collection of that. Now see, the entities in a module can be used by any other Python program by importing it. Now we will see what is the use of modules. In a module, I can put some functions, classes, variables, dictionaries, etc. which are to be used by one or more other Python programs. So all these things will be put into a module, and all other Python programs which are in the requirement of using them, they will simply import that particular module and they will be making use of the entities present in that module. So the entities in a module can be used by any other Python program by simply using an import statement, which I will be using in a while from now. So in a way we can see that we can understand that it's the concept of modules also gives us this benefit of reusability. That means whatever is written in the module that can be used by various other Python programs without having to recode. Now modules in Python, they happen to be of two types: built-in modules, programmer defined modules. So built-in modules are the modules which are already provided with Python. If you remember, we people have used built-in modules like we have used RE for regular expressions, and in case of handling with dates, we have used datetime built-in module. So there are many built-in modules. We'll be talking about those built-in modules in our next sections also. Okay, programmer defined modules are the modules which are created by the programmer himself. Let me give you an example. Suppose I create a file with the name module1.py. Name could be anything, but extension should be py. Here I have, it's a simple example. Here I have declared two variables, a and b. A has been initialized with 100, b has been initialized with 90. Then I happen to have another main program of Python, that is mn.py. Name could be anything. Here the first statement I am writing is import module1. Now what does that mean? It means when I write import module1, that means now in this program mn.py, I would be in a position to use the things which have been defined in module 1. Like I have got two variables, they are accessible to me in this program mn.py. Now the next statement is C is equal to module1.a into module1.b. See carefully. When we want to use anything of a module, it should be qualified with the name of that module. I have written module1.a, not directly a. That will be erroneous, because if I would write directly a, that would have meant that I am having this variable in mn.py, which is not true. I am borrowing it from module1 module. So module1.a into module1.b. I have simply multiplied both the variables which have been taken from the module1, and the result will be put into C. And furthermore, I have printed this output which is in C by using the print statement. So let me open PyCharm and show this program running. So I would be opening the PyCharm. Let me open the PyCharm. Okay, so here in this this is the same program that I have explained to you in the slide. So import module 1, C is equal to module 1 dot A into module 1 dot B, print output is plus strc. This is the same program. So this is the main program mn1.py, and let me click on this tab module 1.py. Here we had defined these variables A is equal to 100 and B is equal to 90. Let's go back to the main program, Control Shift F10, and this is the output. Output is 9000 because both the variables were multiplied.